So you have decided to start a healthy hair journey, huh? Congratulations! Now sit back, let me show you the things you're gonna need. Just a bit of knick and knack to help you make sure this journey is a successful one, right? Anything worth doing is worth doing well. Let me take you through. Come on in.
Let me love you right. Give me some bedroom lecture, you know.
The very basic things you are gonna need to start your healthy hair journey. And if you've already started, you like, oh, lots of things, lot of product, lot of things to take on. Let me just narrow it down. I'm just gonna go straight to the point, no beating around the bush. Okay, assess your hair. Have a look if your hair needs a trim or a cut. Better still, you do not want to be deep conditioning, moisturizing, doing all that stuff to hair that is dead. They are dead anyway, aren't they? But give yourself a dry good trim. That's the start off point. Then get a journal. Get a journal where you can document the date you started. That journal is gonna also be, you'll be writing down product that work, product that hasn't worked, how product make your hair feel. This will help you keep track. Eventually you're gonna find products that are your staple, the product that your hair like, the product that your hair doesn't like. So invest in one of proper hairdressing scissors for that trim or cut. Moving on from that, you need, I brought only just one product each, pretty much. I don't want to confuse you guys. I just want to make sure you have the very basic to start. Just the main thing that you need. You don't need all that long stuff and, you know, expensive product to have a healthy hair journey. It's all about the consistency and just sticking with it, really. That's what you need. Obviously, good technique. So you need your sulfate-free shampoo. This is one of my favorites. So one sulfate-free shampoo, one clarifying shampoo. I will list or try to list all these products down in the description box, so you guys can pause this video, you can rewind it, you can come back and watch it. Go in the description box, you will be able to find every single one of these products I'm gonna show you guys, so you can. Disclaimer, just because these products happen to work for me does not mean they will work for you. Though these products I'm about to show you guys are just a guide to help you start. If you don't know where to start, if you don't know what product to get, what to use it for, here you go. So your shampoo, weekly shampoo, is sulfate free. Excuse my nails, I couldn't be asked fixing that one that's broken. So your sulfate free shampoo and your once a month clarifying shampoo, that is for shampoo. Once a week you shampoo your hair, right? With that, don't get it twisted. And if it is your moisturizing deep conditioning week, you can use something like this. It's a really thick cream as your deep conditioner. This is perfect for a weekly deep conditioning routine. For once in a month, I will include a picture somewhere of the hair mayonnaise for protein product that I like to use once a month. So when you use that, I will put the picture. I could have swore I brought it out, but clearly it's not here. But anywho, I will put the picture somewhere in the screen. So when you use that hair mayonnaise, organic root stimulator hair mayonnaise, you follow it up with this. That's once a month. But on a weekly basis, you shampoo, you condition with this. Wrap it up with a cling film, which I don't have here. Other than, if you don't have cling film, plastic bag will do, or a shower cap will do exact same thing. You walk around the house. If you don't have access to hair dryer, you walk around the house, preferably maybe when you're doing your cleaning, doing your housework, your body heat will help the product to penetrate and make sure you get the best out of your deep conditioning. Since applying heat seems to help the product to penetrate better, so you want to make the most of that. For those that are privileged enough to have hoodie dryer, I recommend getting yourself one of these if you have enough space to put it on. This has been with me for years. They're very cheap, under 70 quid. It's just finding a place to put it. I think that is the trouble, to be honest with you. Those are really handy for roller setting and air drying your hair, most importantly for deep conditioning. That's what I use that for myself, obviously for clients. If you cannot afford that space or money, that is an alternative. I did review this at some point on this channel. If you guys want to go back and check that out, you can see how I use it and what have you. So that is a deep conditioning cap. So you put it in the microwave, all the instructions are all there. That is another alternative to that, or that to your weekly deep conditioner. I love this in the winter time. Perfect. Moving on, once you've washed, you've conditioned, your next step will be to add your leave-in conditioner. Any leave-in conditioner of your choice. Again, these products are just a guide. You don't have to go run out and buy everything I've listed here. You could give it a try and see if it works for you. So you apply your leave-in conditioner, and straight after that you can apply a detangler of your choice. You don't have to, but this is my staple. This is a staple of mine, and I cannot almost do a wash day without this. So I apply my leave-in detangler and have my hair in session, 4 sessions, so that I can get to where I need to get easily. Then I go in with a white tooth comb. So you are gonna need a white tooth comb, good one. This is the Hercules, one of the best comb around. Don't know if you can see Magic Star. You should be able to see it better there. This is the Magic Star comb. So one of your rightail comb to pat the hair, so you know where you're working with. Clips, get this from Home Bargains. I have 10 in the pack for a couple of quids. They come in dead handy. Couple of clips. Diamond brush, I barely use them, maybe during doing ponytails. Then barb bristle brush for ponytails. Again, I don't use this that often, but I try to do everything to try and you know, keep down excessive brushing. So, but these are your essentials anyway, since this video is all about what you are going to need to start your healthy hair journey. So barb bristle brush, demo brush, your massive white tooth comb, your rightail comb, and some hair clips. So that is that. What else was I gonna say? We've done the detangling session, didn't we? Okay. If you are gonna blow dry your hair, which I really recommend you try and early on in your journey, kind of turn down the heat as much as you can. Obviously, you are starting a healthy hair journey. If you can introduce yourself to air drying your hair, that is the best. Once you start blow drying and all that carrying on, you get used to that routine so much. You don't want to air dry, because air dry look, as you can see, is frizzy, it's poofy, it's just, I don't mind this look, but it's not for everyone. If you must blow dry, pick up a heat protectant. I don't know how much this actually work. I have to be honest with you. If I can help not blow dry my hair, I'd rather not. But to be on the safe side, this is supposed to protect up to 130, give you 130 heat protectant. So get your heat protectant. This is one of the good ones that I've seen. That is your heat protectant. Obviously, your blow drying, if you are gonna obviously blow dry, you need the blow dryer there and your blow dryer. I would recommend, if you must do it on a cool setting. That is that. So once you've done all that, you've applied that on, you blow dry it, right? That is if you choose to blow dry. But if you choose not to blow dry your hair, you want to air dry it like I mostly do. Once you've applied your leave-in and you have applied your detangler, you session it, you detangled it, you will have let your hair air dry. Walk around the house. Main thing I usually do to help me is just to hover around the house, just because I'm moving that much. Within half an hour my hair will be dry. And let your hair air dry. Once it's fully dried, you then go on with your moisturizer of choice and seal it in with any oil of your choice. This is coconut oil. It's no biggie, any oil will do the same trick. Moisturizer, again, pick the one that you like. This is a guide. So your moisturizer in sessions along with your sealing in that moisture in with an oil of your choice. So those are the two stuff. What else was I gonna say? The oil, as far as oil is concerned, for hot oil treatment, you can get a bunch of other oils like coconut oil, like I've shown you, avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, peppermint oil. The list goes on. So you can put them all in one bottle, like that one there. This bottle is actually a hair color that I've used, and wash it off and mix all my oil in there. So when I'm not big on oily my scalp, so put them all in here for when I'm doing my hot oil treatment. It comes in dead handy. And when you have braid and cornrows, again, you can then go on your scalp and apply if that's your thing. So that is that. What have I missed? You're gonna want to take picture. Take picture at the beginning of this whole journey. Take picture of your hair. That helps a lot. It gives you a lot of encouragement, because it's easy to think my hair is not growing. I've done that. I've done the other one. I've done that. I'm not seeing any improvement. But if you take a picture before you start, take a picture a few weeks down the line, a few months down the line, take another picture, you are able to compare those pictures and see if what you are doing, you know, if it's working or not. And the picture doesn't lie. And if it is working, that gives you kind of encouragement to carry on. These are just the basic stuff I can think of right now. I'm very sure when I finish this video, I'm going to be like, oh, I should have added that. Oh, I should have added the other one. So I have pretty much video on pretty much every single routine of my entire hair journey. So how I wash my hair, the technique, the product, how I air dry, how I trim, how I touch up, the full house. Everything is there. It's here on my channel. So take your time to scroll through them and see if you can find anything at all that might catch your eye. You might want to, a technique, a product you want to have a look at. So watch other YouTube videos as well. You are watching this, I'm hoping. Also watch other people's YouTube videos. That is another thing that can help you to, you know, just familiarize yourself with products and the way they are used. Technique is very important. So another thing I can add here today is consistency. All these products are all aimed to help, just to help soften, to help, I don't know, straighten, what not have you. But at the end of the day, it's no good moisturizing your hair today and you're not going to moisturize it again for another 2-3 days or 1 week later and expect miracle to happen. It doesn't work like that. So once you start, keep in mind you have to stick with it in order to see results in the long run, right? I'm gonna leave it here, guys. This is all I've got time for today. All right, I hope you guys have a successful, healthy hair journey. Don't forget, if you have any question at all about any of this product I've spoken about, if you have any concerns, you know, you're struggling with your healthy hair journey, you're struggling at certain routine, I'm only a DM away. Leave me a comment under this video. You can DM me on Instagram, on my Facebook page. I'm pretty much on everywhere, so I am very much reachable. So I do try to reply to as much messages as much as I could. But yeah, do send me a message and I will definitely reply to you. I will leave it here for now, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for sticking for this channel, and thank you all so much for your support, especially my new subscribers and obviously the old ones. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you all so much. Again, if you're not already subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. Keep that subscribing coming, because I do need that for me to see that you guys will appreciate what I'm bringing in, right? It just give me that little, they are bothered, they want to know more, they want me to they want me to bring more video. Anyway, I think I'm rambling as usual now, so let me bugger off. Thank you all so much. See you later. Ciao, ciao.
MRTW, money rule the world, money rule the world.